Here's my hush hush on my main loop. Now let's start. Hello and welcome to my review about the hush hush. Normally I wouldn't show you the packaging, but the only reason why I'm doing this because when Sam Trains opened up his hush hush, packaging wasn't great, so let's just have a look. Look, I don't think that's good. Nope, no packaging inside. Paying for an expensive model, like absolutely nothing inside. Just rattles inside. That's not going to be quick to show you. There's another box inside that box, and at least this doesn't rattle. This is new, never seen this done before. It's inside a plastic bag. I'm not sure how environmental that is, but it's a nice loco anyway. Look at that. LNER Class W1 Hush Hush 464 British Enterprise number 10,000. I'll just show you the end box. Hornby R3841 LNER Class W1 Hush Hush 464 British Enterprise number 10,000. Minimum radius 438mm and it is DCC ready. 00 gauge. Classed as an 8P locomotive, and if you do want to stop to read the information on it, you can pause the video. There's a drawing of it. Date drawn 2020, so it is rather a recent one, just over a year ago then. W1 class, and there's some lengths of it, full length of it, just driving wheels, the wheels on the tender, the height and the length. I'll read you a bit about it. I won't read all of it, I'll read a bit of it. How Nigel Gresley came to consider a high pressure water tube boiler to power a locomotive is a matter of some concept, but being considered in September 1924, he approached Yarrow, a shipbuilder from Glasgow, with a proposal to build a high pressure water tube boiler to power a new 3-cylinder compound 462 design compared to the existing A1. To get her out does weigh quite heavy. Nothing rattling so far, so good. Looks quite good in the box there. And let's have a look at the paperwork. Next will be the usual paperwork. Operating and maintenance instruction about the general DCC ready, running hints, routine maintenance, track cleaning, chassis, lubrication, I think I've seen it like a million times, accessories, assemble, body removal, close coupling, DCC ready, sound chip, and on the back about putting the brake rods, spare parts and service. I don't put the extra bits on it because they're quite filly and they may come off again. Let's get her out. Let's have a look at the spare bag, shall I say. We've got quite a lot. We've got 2 sets of wheels, we've got the brake rods, I've got I see some coupling, spare coupling, maybe that goes on the front maybe, yeah, the coupling goes on the front. Water pipes, seems to be a bag inside a bag. Got, oh, hang on a tip-top. Now there's this bag, inside this bag, which was these 2 extra nameplates saying British Enterprise, so that's pretty good. So these are 2 spare. Out of the packaging, so far so good, nothing has fallen off. Excellent detail for the cab. I'll bring my torch. There you go, you can see everything. You can see pipe work, you can see the gauges, see the handbrake, you can see levers, everything you expect to see inside a loco. So with the naming of the loco, it seems to be like, I think that's printed on or something. Well, there's X nameplates over it. It's got the handrail there, of course spring buffers. handrails at the front. Very aerodynamic, you can see. And normally you see a line going across the top there, but this time it's supposed to be like that, so it's done it really well along there. Normally, as I said, you see like a joining mark which is not supposed to be there, but this time it is supposed to be there. So that's good. There's some whistles there, 4 valves. All the gearing looks good. Hope it works. It looks like those are little white things are lights, I think. You can see the number on the front there, 1000. You can see the wiring there. It's all plugged in. Got a door. So there's that. Just like the mallard. There's a little secret passage going through it into the back, so the loco does not have to stop. You can even see there's a little door. I think that's a door there. Oh no, that's for the coal, and the little door's just there. So there's a little passage going down. See that door just there, just about. So the passage goes down the side here and out the back there. That's where you put the water in there. LNR. Oh look, you can see the builder's plate just there with my thumb underneath the E for Enterprise, just there. Not sure if I had a loco before, where its pony truck has 4 at the back there. I think this is my first loco which has 4 at the back, I think. Right, let's go and put it on my test track and see how well. Before we go to the test track, I've just noticed something about the tender I want to show you. I think it's called a water pickup. Underneath the railway on the track, and in between it, the rails would be a little trough full of water, and then so this means that the loco could pick up water without actually stopping, and that trough would be full of water. So as that'd be the trough, and then this would be the little water pickup pipe, and it would scoop all loads of water as it goes along. So it's quite a clever little device, I think. Anyway, let's go back down to the test. There she is, all in her glory. Oops, that's the box. There we go, on the test track. Now let's do the low crawl. Just to show you, I've got that kind of controller, and it's got a high-low, so I put it on a low. Okay, let's try on the high then. Obviously didn't like the low speed switch. Forwards. Bit of a wheel spin there. So far so good. You might have noticed there was a bit of a bump there, only because of this little banister bit here. It's intruding a little bit, but it's okay. No problems with mine by the looks of it. A bit of a spin there by the wheels. Let's try and put it on low speed. I know it likes low speed. Bit of a wheel spin there. Let's do this one more time. Let's put it back on high. Now one more time on low. Can't do it too fast because remember this is only about 2.5 metre track here, so I can't do much on it, it's just backwards and forwards. Bit of a wheel spin, do a backwards test on low. I heard something go click then. Don't know what that was. Backwards test on high. I think that was just a buffer's that click, I hope. Right, let's take her upstairs now and give her a few laps on my main circuit. Having trouble even getting around the first corner here. Good. Oops. Okay, well that's kind of a lap. Okay, let me try putting it on the other circuit and see what happens. Notice I'm turning it around. That's the way how I like it. A bit like a road really. One way, that's how roads are, isn't it? That way and then that way. I've turned it round and try it on the other track. It's a really minor thing, but I've noticed on this buffer here, or this side, yeah, no, on this far side, this buffer here, can't really see it, but there's something wrong with the spring. Not the spring gets stuck. Anyway, it's only a minor thing. Let's try again. Just want to show you something quickly. This is broken off. That was about there. This has fallen off. I've had a look 2 or 3 minutes. Don't know where it is. Don't know what it is or where it's fallen off. I'm not too sure. I did hear it fall. That's what I found. I'm not sure where it goes or what it is. And I found, I don't know how well you can see that, tiny little washer. See that? Oh yeah, you can see that slightly better there. Tiny. I'm not sure if that's come off here, or it could have been come off my mallard. I don't know. Right, let's see if we can finish off that one loop and then try pull at least one carriage. Right, I've added one LNERT carriage, first class and third class, number 22357. Let's see what this does. Try again. You get the idea. It likes my test track but doesn't like my layout. Oops. Just doesn't like my layout. Anyway, you get the idea. Well, keeps on stopping and starting. I was trying to sort something out but I don't know what. I think even Sam Trains had a few problems with it, and Barry Davis had a few problems with it, and a few other people did as well. So, well, there you go. It might just end up being a very expensive display model. Probably use it once or twice, but there you go. It had a few turns on both track. You saw how it goes, so if you want to get it then it's up to you, but you just have to be careful with it because, like as I said, it likes my test track but not my actual track. So anyway, thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Please like and subscribe if that passed by. Thank you, bye.